Photography is more than just a hobby or a profession, it is a powerful medium that allows us to freeze moments in time, tell stories, evoke emotions, and explore the world around us. With the rise of digital technology and the ubiquity of smartphones, photography has become accessible to almost everyone, making it a popular form of artistic expression. In this article, we delve into the art and magic of photography, discussing its history, techniques, and the unique power it holds. A brief history of photography. The journey of photography began in the early 19th century when the first permanent photographic image was produced by Joseph Nicephore Niepce in 1826. Since then, the medium has evolved rapidly, witnessing various technical advancements and transformations. From the invention of the daguerreotype and the introduction of color photography to the birth of digital imaging, each era has contributed to the growth and democratization of photography. The art of seeing. Photography is not merely about pointing a camera and pressing a button, it is about learning to see the world through a different lens. A skilled photographer possesses the ability to observe and capture the extraordinary in the ordinary. They notice the interplay of light and shadow, the juxtaposition of shapes and colors, and the fleeting expressions that convey profound emotions. The art of photography lies in training one's eye to find beauty in the most unexpected places and moments. The language of composition. Composition plays a crucial role in photography, as it determines how the elements within a frame are arranged. It involves understanding the rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, balance, and other principles to create visually pleasing and impactful images. Composition guides the viewer's eye, directs attention to the main subject, and helps convey the intended message. By experimenting with different compositions, photographers can transform ordinary scenes into compelling visual narratives. Capturing light and shadows. Photography, derived from the Greek words aphos, light, and graph, drawing, is essentially the art of painting with light. Mastering the interplay of light and shadows is a fundamental skill for photographers. Natural light can vary dramatically throughout the day, and each type of light, be it the soft golden hour glow, the harsh midday sun, or the dramatic chiaroscuro of low light, presents unique opportunities for creativity. By understanding how light behaves, photographers can manipulate it to enhance the mood, emphasize textures, or create a sense of depth in their images. Storytelling through the lens. Photography has the incredible power to tell stories and convey messages without uttering a single word. From photojournalism that captures the realities of the world to documentary photography that preserves historical events and cultural traditions, photographs serve as a visual testimony to our shared human experiences. Whether it's freezing a moment of joy, capturing a poignant expression, or documenting social issues, photographers have the ability to evoke emotions, provoke thoughts, and inspire change through their images.